A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is intention, the truth behind every action. Ladies and gentlemen, every visible action in life, from the simplest gesture to the most profound creation, begins invisibly with intention. Intention is not merely a silent wish, but a spark of energy generated within the brain, shaping the trajectory of thought and guiding the chain that leads to action. Just as a tiny seed silently holds the blueprint of a vast tree, intention holds within it the essence of all that follows. Modern neuroscience observes that the brain registers an impulse of intention moments before conscious awareness arises. This hidden spark suggests that intention is the earliest initiator, preceding even the thoughts recognized as personal choice. Studies in neurocardiology and quantum biology further reveal that intention influences not only neural circuits but also broader energy fields, pointing to a dynamic link between the human mind and the larger cosmos. From this origin, intention fuels the emergence of thought. Thoughts are the interpreters of intention, arranging its energy into words, images, and ideas. They may remain fluid, adjusted by conscious choice, or unconsciously follow ingrained neural patterns. Yet, whether deliberate or spontaneous, every thought carries the imprint of the intention from which it was born. The journey continues as thoughts crystallize into action, speech, movement, or silence. Actions may diverge from the purity of the original intention, reshaped by strategy, external influence, or unconscious drift. Still, behind every outcome, however altered, the root remains: intention. Motivation, purpose, and direction are all variations of this primal truth. This reveals a profound understanding. If truth is eternal, then intention, the origin of truth in action is the axis of existence. From intention arises duality, constructive or destructive, light or shadow. Thought and action may deviate, but the compass of morality and energy begins at the source, the intention. Ancient wisdom echoes this. The Bhagavad Gita emphasizes purity of purpose, reminding that righteousness begins not in the hand that acts, but in the mind that intends. Modern research into heart-brain coherence and global energy fields affirms that focused intention creates measurable resonance, aligning the individual with the rhythms of the cosmos. Thus, mastery over life rests in mastery of intention. It is not control over thought or action alone, but over the fountain from which they flow. This mastery requires a compass of virtues: truth, compassion, clarity, and selflessness to guide intention as energy. Without guidance, intention scatters into confusion. With guidance, it radiates as light. Cultivating coherence within the human energy grid through alignment, surrender, and communion with higher intelligence awakens the inner sun, a radiant consciousness that illuminates intention with wisdom. When intention resonates with cosmic order, the universe responds at the very spark where truth silently takes birth. What's the way forward? The path forward lies in refining intention itself, to nurture virtues as an inner compass, to attune to the intelligence sustaining creation, and to live in resonance with higher truth is to ensure that every action, however small, carries the fragrance of authenticity. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, intention is the invisible architect of destiny. Thought and action are its visible extensions, but the eternal truth resides in the origin. Mastery of intention refines destiny, aligning it with cosmic intelligence so that the inner sun of consciousness mirrors the outer sun of creation, ever radiant, ever guiding, ever sustaining. As the outer sun nourishes life in the physical world, the inner sun nourishes life in the moral and spiritual realm. When both shine in harmony, righteousness flows effortlessly. As Lord Krishna profoundly declares in the revealed Bhagavad Gita, as is one's intention, so is one's becoming. When intention is pure, action too becomes pure, and in that purity, the eternal truth reveals itself. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.